sio jingtip ngalaon mare amta nomor belai dang hakini gisngi ngadang wansa climate sini ki Paidbah tip ra badu tip bat kebun gi rong bak senong tip how mat ngawan lembak senong no bak senong mat itu kadang wan kendo ipiro ni ngalak penbiang lut nodong sedong ikut Islam by day bak border asamit climate sini we are only pulit yang ada sengir ni tambang akhlam penbenai dengan wan madang sengi dalam musim gejung Sofia bangatip ba beriu jongi syasyo di mana rumah itu bangin yale ada ke senam
Tăng hạt tiêu hadian bộ là phần y cái chừng slur cái chừng u hadian cái chừng thăm bò chừng Paidbah bỏ yong khuli MDC cho kamau hati ubah Charles Marngar saya sisin pat man takasing arab sa tarik unela arajar arhuai la pen ibiang gi kam sim go slur kham tam kam tau Nongmihkhmat Paidbah bol her posnong omloper hadian gi syasyo satia jeng ke laingon kisamna na kate ke snong wa Charles ulah her sakate ke jaka bandrong baik akat tem jeng ki pulit asam kemudian hapo omloper Pak rengkat Paidbah obabun obar ai ke jeng kersan yo ubah Charles ulah keren na kate ke jaka bawa hapreng ke jeng pet ke jeng keren he jeng ki pulit asam Pak kajeng bobsya kajeng pulit asam kan dia na kate ke jaka dari Pak Charles lo keren di Paidbah pada hudam pada ka bola dawaru maki pulit asam di ben nino na kate ke jaka na kate ke jaka hawa ko mekhale
sawan gitu di DSP jongi ki magistrate jongi kita non halanti dingin ya keren bat Indonesia bat long jai syo menta long jai ngin ya keren daga tin namar ba ladang yele daga bor daga jingi snam nginom pois nasional Nino pois nasional. Kikum ki parado ki parasnam habashadat sasyo udo usnami hisau. Dai mana rumah? Ngau hisau ah. Hisau nomor ile. Ile nang ruban suy keren daga ketin. Ile onco ondat ki burui. Dara cok dadat bi ki pulit jong kami galia ki buru ka asam kumna sengoki. Ti dan mar kata mentang idon lang ni ini keren lang buat ini in charge. So what happened last night?
That's not actually our border area. In border area, it is not kind of such type of politics or social activists should be enter here. Not kind of social activists should be enter here. It is only for security purpose. In border area, it should not be allowed. Here, no need of campaigning all these things. No need of campaigning. Unfortunately, it happens. So important
in the committee.
It is actually for us. Actually for us.
I'm one of the member of the boundary committee.
It is for us. It is not.
I know better
here
than you.
No.
Because I am in the boundary committee.
According to us,
so
according to us, it is
just keep quiet. Let your additional
here no need to do such type of politician.
No.
Even we can talk about security purpose, security level. We can talk about. I have no right to talk with you. And also here no need to discuss about all these things, politics. It is not the right time to do politics.
This is my responsibility.
It's not a responsibility. It does not. It is not responsibility. It is not responsibility.
This is all my.
You will create such type of panic problem here. It is not a responsible, huh? Politics coming here, it is completely, it is not a good thing. Yeah, you are a politician and you are entering here.
But
you are not my politician.
No.
You are not right to stay here. If I can talk with SP or DSP or OCIC. How you can say that you are people?
This is all my people.
This is completely who will
all my people. All my people.
You never used to do.
All my people.
You just please come.
Don't say like that. No.
You just please
here because I'm waiting for my magistrate.
Yeah, no question. Yeah, politics no sole. Yeah, border area.
Skap kenit. Mentang in up your magistrate, your DSP jongi. But unwan who will come from your side? Additional.
Additional.
Tom. Nang tina po